Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sivadas Madhavan, Associate Professor of English. Today I'm going to talk about central tendency. It's one of the 4 parts of descriptive statistics. The 4 parts are frequency, central tendency, dispersion, and position. So central tendency is the most common concepts that come to the minds of the people when they hear the term statistics. And the students of statistics most of the time refer to mean, median, and mode, or it has become synonymous with the subject statistics. Actually, it's only a part of it. Descriptive statistics is only one aspect of statistics. And statistics can be divided into 2. One is descriptive statistics and the other one is inferential statistics. So central tendency, most of the time, like frequency, will be used as a tool to analyze and interpret the data. The analysis and interpretation of data will be mainly based on the descriptive statistics. And central tendency cannot be avoided in calculating, in assessing the data sets or the data points. So central tendency, when you hear the term central tendency, the most common concepts that come to our mind will be mean, median, and mode. So these are the most common concepts that come. There are others also, but mean, median, mode are the most commonly used central tendencies. So mean is nothing but average. Mean means average. That means the total value of the data points will be divided by the total number of data points. Or in other words, the equation for the mean is sigma x divided by n. N is number of items or number of data points. Sigma x means the total value of the data points. Value of data points will be divided by the number of data points. That is average, or it is called mean. So mean is very basic in statistical calculation. Without mean, it is not possible to do many of the statistical calculations. So it is very important in that sense. And the second one is median. Median is mid-value. Median is a technique of using mid-value. Mid-value means the value that comes in the middle. And there are 2 types. For example, if you take the data points as 7, 8, and 9, there are 3 values, and the middle one is 8. 7, 8, 9. 8 is the mid value. And in this case, it is the odd number. If there are 4 or even numbers, then the calculation there, the way to find out the median is slightly different. If it is even number, we take the middle numbers, the 2 middle numbers, and take the average of them. See, for example, if it is 6, 7, 8, 9, we take the middle ones and we will take the average of that. That means the 2 numbers in the middle will be totaled together and it will be divided by 2. And in that case, for example, if you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, here this is an even number. The mid values are 3 and 4. There are 2 numbers, or these 2 numbers cannot be considered together. There cannot be together. There cannot be 2. It must be only 1. So in that case, the middle numbers are 3 and 4. It can be divided by 2, or you can take the average of these two and it will be 3.5. So here in this case the median is 3.5. So that is the way we calculate median of even numbers. So median can be considered in two different ways. If odd numbers are there, you will take the middle number. If there are even numbers, you take the two numbers from the middle and find out the average of them. That will be the median. So the third one, the last one, is mode. Mode is the most frequently repeated number, or the number that occurs again and again, or more than once. An example, in the data set, if it is 1, the data points are 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 4 and 5. So if it comes like this, you will, for the convenience, you will order the numbers in an ascending order. So first put the data points in the ascending order. So when it comes to ascending order, it will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in that case, 2 3s are coming together. When you put it in ascending order from the lowest number to the highest number, the numbers that we repeat or numbers that occur again and again will come together. And there you can easily find out the number that occurs more than once. So in this case, 3 comes together. There are 2 3s. And these 2 3s come together and we can see, yes, 3 is the mode, the most occurred number, or the maximum number of times a number occurs is 3 in this case. So the most frequently repeated number will be the mode. So mean, median and mode, these 3 are the central tendency in descriptive statistics. Without this, a researcher cannot conduct his research properly. Or to have the scientific base of the research, statistical calculation is very essential, and in statistical calculations, the descriptive linguistics will be very important, and out of that, the central tendency will be the most important one. That's all about central tendencies. With some other topic I will come next time. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.